Guys, don't order a package at 3 a.m. I mean, don't order a package. Don't. I ordered a fidget spinner. Here's a fidget spinner. So you on it, look. What on it? This isn't fake. No. Better focus. Oh, it says die. Guys, there's a fidget spinner. There's a fidget spinner. Something weird about this package. I don't know. Guys, is it clickbait? Is it clickbait? I swear. This isn't fake. Okay. Please see the code. See, it says die. The package is haunted. This is real. This isn't clickbait. This is the package I ordered. Well, there's some. Where is it? The package. Get a package. I don't know where it is. I already opened it. So I already opened the second package I ordered. Guys, what birthday is it? Who doesn't focus? So this was signed by Adult Swim, guys. Look, see? Look, see? Adult Swim. I don't think there's a hole right here. They ordered me a phone. So, bye. This is not clickbait. I swear to God, this is not clickbait. Bye.